Since you have enrolled in your subjects, you will now be required to select your preferred tutorials. Proceed to the tutorial sign-up website. Remember to only refresh the page once before you log in. Log in with your JC number, your password, and click on the login button. Once you have logged in, you will be able to see the selection page. You may select the tutorial of your choice by clicking on the circle option. Do remember to check on the modality of the class before you select it. Classes which are full will be indicated with the banner notifying that the class is full. You may select other non-clashing tutorials to complete your sign-up. Sometimes you may be enrolled in subjects which are already clashing before the sign-up. Due to this clash, you will see the clash banner on your page throughout the sign-up. Please be in contact with academic planning team or enrollments team to resolve this clash. Should you encounter a clash during the tutorial sign-up, the clash banner will pop up to notify you of the clash between the tutorials that you have selected. This clash might be between the tutorials that you have selected or between a tutorial and a lecture that you are currently enrolled in. Do check again and reselect a non-clashing tutorial before you click Submit. We are currently offering different modalities for the subjects. You will see the modality of the class beside each of the tutorial options. You may select an online class or F2F, which stands for face-to-face class. Should you prefer a face-to-face tutorial but it's not available, you may select another available tutorial and click on the checkbox to express your interest in a face-to-face class if it's available. Now, it's time to submit your selections. Once you have selected your preferred tutorials and you are happy with it, click on Submit Query button at the bottom of the page to confirm your selection. You will see your subjects in the current selection section. This summary allows you to check on the tutorials that you have selected along with its modality. If you wish to change your selection, you may click on the Change button option, which is available on the right-hand side. You will then be redirected to the selection page again. Should you choose to reselect due to clashes, the clash banner will only disappear once you click on the Submit Query button. You may reselect your preferred tutorials for the subject again and click on the Submit Query. Do remember that you will be reassigned to a non-clashing tutorial if you have submitted a clashing one. For any subjects with lecture clashes, you may be asked to change one of the clashing subjects once the sign-up is over, after which you will be assigned to a non-clashing tutorial for that newly enrolled subject. Below the current selection section, you will see a modality preference section. This shows the subject that you have expressed your interest for a face-to-face class, which may be full during your selection. However, if you decide to change your mind and do not wish to express your interest in a face-to-face class for that subject, you may click on the Switch modality to remove the face-to-face remark. By removing the remark, it means that you do not prefer a face-to-face class even if it's available. Once you have completed your sign-up, You will see the page which shows that you have no pending tutorials to be selected. Good job! This concludes your tutorial sign-up exercise. We wish you all the best in the upcoming trimester.